Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Professor Vidhyaashram from the Department of Business Studies in Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Guys, business studies is not just a subject, it is a discipline. Now we will come across the first chapter of business studies, that is nature and significance of management. In this chapter, I'll be taking off few of the topics which are question paper pattern and the weightage. Students, you need to understand the PU board pattern of examination. In the 21st century, PU board acts like a Dronacharya which is making a Shadyantra of Chakravyuha for you all. And Vidhyaashram promises you that you will come out of the Chakravyuha with a colorful smile. The second topic is introduction and significance of management. Here you will know the real management, the meaning of management, importance of management. Going forward, we have levels of management. This is the hierarchical thing, and levels of management depends on the nature and size of the business. Lastly, we have functions of management. Functions of management is very important for you people because it is for 8 marks. So let's know the pattern of our PU board, the real Kurukshetra. Now it is divided into 5 levels: part A, B, C, D and E. The part A consists of 1 mark question wherein you are supposed to answer in a word or a sentence. Part B consists of 2 mark question wherein you are supposed to answer in 2 sentences or more. In the part C you have 4 marks, part D you have 8 and part E you have 5 marks. I want you people to understand the part D, that is 8 marks question. It's a long essay type question, students, and you are supposed to write little more. Though it is boring, but I'll tell you, I'll give you all tricky tricks wherein you can score 8 on 8. The last part being part E, it is a POQ question. E stands for easy. Easily you can score 10 on 10 in POQ questions. Now let us check the weightage of this chapter. In this chapter, nature and significance of management, you have one 1 mark question. You get one 1 mark question. I'll tell you which is the question. In the next you have part B where you have 1 mark, that is 2 mark question. Next you have 8 mark question, that is 1 8 mark question. Let me repeat, you have 1 1 mark question, 1 2 mark question and 1 8 mark question. And a bonus in this chapter is you have a POQ question, that is practical oriented question. As I told you, it's a cakewalk for you. I'll teach you within 5 minutes how to get this 10 on 10. Moving on. The chapter name is significance of management. So what is management? Management, please understand the spelling, man-age-ment. Management is an art of getting things done through others efficiently and effectively. Please repeat with me. Management is an art. Management ek kala hai, which makes sure that everybody get the work done efficiently and effectively. According to our Henry Fayol, now a question will come, who is Henry Fayol? You are supposed to write, Henry Fayol is the father of general management. He is the father of general management. A question can also come like this, who is the father of general management? You are supposed to write, Henry Fayol is the father of general management. So we have the next topic, that is significance of management. Students, here significance of management is a 8 mark question. If you understand the benefits of management, you will get aram se that 8 marks. I'm a faculty who doesn't teach only the bookish knowledge. I'll teach you something which is real in life. Then you will understand better the real significance of management. There was this blooming year, 14th July 1945, which witnessed the birth of the greatest persona in the IT industry in India. This person started his business in 1976. Students, 1976 is the same year in California Apple company was launched. Apple company was launched. In India, in 1976, one more company was launched by this person. And what did he do? He changed the scenario of IT industry. The person who changed the facet of business, and he saw there is something called opportunity. What was the opportunity? In the same 1976, you will be surprised, India was the most populated country after China. That is, we were the second most populated country. Yes, somewhere we are in second position, right? But students, the dark side is, in this population, we had only 250 computers. We had only 250 computers. If I give you the statistic, you will be surprised. We had a population of 63 crore 76 lakh 30,087 people, but the drawback was we had only 250 computers in India. This person, he gave us something called a company which started manufacturing personal computers. Now it is called as HCL, Hindustan Computer Limited. Yes, students, I am talking about the same great persona. Can you guess the name of a person who actually started HCL? He is the founder chairman of HCL, that is Hindustan Computer Limited. His name is Shiv Nadar. Yes, students, he is also a Padma Bhushan awardee in the year 2008. Vidhyaashram salutes you, sir. So the next topic is significance of management. What is written in the textbook, we will just see. These are the following significance of management, starting from group activity, increases efficiency, reduce time, goal oriented, continuous process, optimum utilization of resource, and management is pervasive. If you combine the story of Shiv Nadar and if you check what is the real significance of management, you will understand this. Shiv Nadar started his business with 1,87,000 rupees. Why management is always goal oriented, you will understand here. Right now, students, in the year 2019, the revenue of HCL is 10 billion US dollar. 10 billion US dollar. Don't you feel it increases efficiency? A short span of a time and they have achieved 10 billion. Don't you feel it reduces the time? It is always goal oriented, and from 1976 to 2020 it is always continuous process and what not. If you are efficient, you will use all your resources properly. And lastly, we have management is pervasive, means management is present everywhere. In hospitals, schools, college, why not even in your house, management is there. Management is intangible, but you can sense it. I'll be explaining you in detail about significance of management in my coming sessions. Thank you, students. Hope you all got to know what exactly management is. I'll see you when I see you.